everyone, Ushma this side and welcome back to BTNX channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of AI, not just to explore its cool features, but to unlock some 5 secret weapons that will make you say, why did I know about this sooner? Get ready to boost your productivity, unleash your creativity and impress your friends with these top 5 tool secrets you wish you knew ages ago. But before that, AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tool to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description box.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
Let's move towards our first secret, which is Pick Finder tool. AI-powered image generation. This tool uses artificial intelligence to generate new images based on your text prompts. It does not actually find existing images, but rather creates new one based on your instruction. It does this by training on a massive dataset of text and images, then learning to associate certain words and phrases with visual elements. So, when you give like a prompt, a majestic mountain landscape at sunrise, it can generate an images that matches the description. This is listed as a reverse image search tool. This type of tool would allow you to upload an images and then find similar images or the source of images online. This is done by analyzing the images and comparing it to a vast data set of images, then returning matches based on similarities in color, composition, and other features. Before moving to our second secret, I have a surprise for you. Are you the one who wants to fasten your task or wish to complete your task ahead of a schedule? So there is a wonderful opportunity which is in front of you of only rupees 9, making PPT in just 10 seconds and can do any kind of IT work under 10 minutes. You can also become 1% of Excel users who can use the function as well as save your 90% of time on a daily basis. You can also become highly paid prompt engineer without prior knowledge, and also you can save up to 2 hours every day. You can hike your salary up to 3x. Join 3-hour workshop, link is in description. And as I know, AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. Let's move towards second secret. This is one of the best tool for content creators and music composers, which is Facebook music generation. This is a more likely interpretation. Music generation is an AI tool developed by Facebook AI Research that generates music from text descriptions. It's part of a larger product called AudioCraft, which also includes model for generating sound effects and audio from text prompt. This model is trained on a massive dataset of text and music, learning the relationship between musical elements and textual descriptions. You provide a text description of the music you want to generate, as I want to listen enthusiastic music playing harmonium with guitar, including slow beats. Yes, slow beats. Do not forget to include detail like genre, mood, instruments, and even lyrics. The model analyzes your text prompt and uses its knowledge of the music to generate a corresponding audio sequence. It does this by predicting the next note or musical element based on the previous ones and the textual input. You receive a short piece of music, typically around 15, maybe 12 seconds, that reflects the characteristics you described in your text prompt. Remember to give the text prompt, that means add baby details to your idea, and the last secret tool ID of the same thing, that how to add prompt and how you can give the perfect prompt. Moving towards another secret tool, Framer.ai. From this tool, you can make stunning websites. Visit Framer.com and sign up for a free account using your email address. Click the Start a New Project button on the Start with AI button to initiate a website creation process. Describe your website object, target audience, brand identity, and desired features in clear and concise language. As I want to design a stunning website for fashion blogger and keep it simple, as I highlighted the part keep the customer support area flicker. Framer AI will analyze your prompt and create a foundational website layout and structure including elements like headers, navigation, and basic content sections. You can also customize and refine colors, fonts, images, and content to match your brand and preference. Add, remove, or rearrange sections and element as needed. Explore different design options and themes using AI powered suggestions. You can also explore different design options, themes using AI powered suggestions. Let's move towards another secret AI tool, which is Luma.ai. This tool leverages cutting edge AI technology called NURBS to reconstruct 3D scenes and objects from multiple video clips. High quality captures, it produces photorealistic 3D models with exceptional detail, accurate reflection, and realistic lighting, surpassing traditional 3D scanning methods. This is also accessible from a smartphone. You can create 3D captures using their iOS app Luma Field Editor without needing expensive equipment or software. This criteria for capturing the image is give, read, and get the perfect shot. This tool is fantastic for creators and influencers as well as photographers. And the last, which is above all the tools, the perfect prompt generator. This is a perfect prompt generator for any tool, whether you want a description for ChatGPT or for Midjourney or for a stable diffusion. It always suggests you the perfect prompt, what should be and what should not. As here, I have mentioned a portrait of cute girl with luminous dress. First, I want this for an image generator tool, and later on, we will see how we can change it for ChatGPT. And I have mentioned that I want a portrait of cute girl with luminous dress. And if I want to recreate it for the stable diffusion, it creates the perfect prompt for me, and along with the perfect prompt, it also has created and shown me the beautiful images for the previous prompt, as well as the prompt has been customized. Now let's see for the ChatGPT. If I want the same prompt for ChatGPT, how I can elaborate and I can customize it the same prompt I have entered, and the result is in front of you. It suggests me that how beautifully I can frame the words. You can also use this and generate a perfect prompt for any AI tool you want to wish to use. Today's That's it for today's AI secret. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and in the comment below share your favorite AI tools and how they have changed your life. Let's embrace the future together. Share this video with your friends and family who are curious about AI. Let me know what other AI secrets you would like to learn about in the comments. This was Ushma signing off until next video. Thank you for watching this.